Have a Sony Bravia TV and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know it's still on. I'm going to give you two possible easy fixes that you can do right now, and by the end of this video at least 80% of you guys should have your screen working. Okay, so first thing is this. Okay, so you currently have the TV plugged in and this one is fixed here, but we're going to pretend that this one has a black screen. So first thing is this, pretend it's a black screen here. We want to go to the power cord and we want to pull the power cord from the TV. And now you want to count to 30 seconds. 4, 5, 29, 30. 30 seconds. Go ahead and plug it back in. As soon as you plug it back in, it should automatically turn back on. So just wait. And now you just got to wait for it to boot up, and hopefully you are now out of the black screen. Now, if you have a black screen still, no problem. We're going to go to step number 2. Okay, step number 2, same thing again with the power cord. Go ahead and pull the power from the wall socket. Now, next thing you want to go ahead and you want to find this power button. It should be below your TV. Typically right under the Sony TV, you should have this little button right there. If it's not here, look on that side or that side. It can kind of be like in the back as well. Anyway, mine is right here directly in the middle. What I'm going to do now is, with it unplugged, I'm going to give it a discharge here. I'm going to press and I'm going to hold that button for 30 seconds. So hold for 30 seconds. 4, 5, 28, 29, 30 seconds. Go ahead, let go. Now go back and we're going to plug the TV back in. Plug it in. TV should automatically turn on here. Okay, and wait it for the finish up the boot process, and hopefully now you will be out of a black screen. Now, if you get a black screen again, then what I would recommend is doing those 2 steps again. Try it a second time, a third time. Sometimes the 4th time is a charm. Anyway, if that helped you guys out, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. At least 80% of you guys should have a working display now.